Hello, it's Umar Racing. This is the first video I'm doing from my garage. I recently moved into a new place and I finally have a garage so I can, do stuff with my car in a much easier way. Today, I'm just going to be taking out the front wheels. What I'm trying to do is remove this N plate from the brake calipers. I honestly don't know how to do that, so I'm going to be figuring it out. I'm gonna let you know why I'm doing this some part of the video. So for now, let's just get started. I'm gonna try to take it off and let's see how it goes. So I'm in the next step in the process. I have taken the brake caliper off. There are two 14mm bolts that are here. You just take them out. They're very easy to take out, not very heavily tightened. And here's how the caliper looks like. As you can see, this end plate over here, it's a little bit, I'll try to pull it up here. You see that little bolt there? Yeah. I think you just have to take that out and it will just come right off. So hands are super dirty, but here it is with the end plate off. As you can see, it's off right now. Try to clean it a little bit, the brake cleaner. It's always good to clean your brakes. I might just clean the surface a little bit more, but other than that, yeah, that's about it. Just gonna slide the caliper back on. This is how the end plate looks like. The reason why I took this off is because this thing traps heat. As you can see, it just closes the side of the pads and just doesn't allow any extra air to come in here. So that's why I'm removing it. This tip was nicely given to me by Jeff from Gen Racer. Really appreciate it. Hopefully this should help me with keeping the brakes just a little bit cooler. Obviously this is not like a solution to fix brake issues for the Veloster N. I think I could replace the rotors with like a floating two-piece rotor. Dissipates heat better. That's one. The second might be just to kind of create like a brake cooling solution. Yeah, so far as you can see, I have a decent amount of pads still left. I think I can probably get another year out of them. Hopefully if things go all right, I'll do a lot more events next year. So far this is how it looks like. I'm gonna do the other side as well. Super easy. As far as the actual bolt, it's H3/16. It was kind of difficult to take out. Make sure to apply force. Make sure to kind of position yourself properly, and then you'll be able to remove it. All right, the job is done. I mean, it took me like, if I cut out all the editing and going up and down and doing other random stuff, it's like a 10-minute job. You just remove the wheels, two 14mm bolts. The brake caliper comes out really easily. Since you're not replacing the brake pads, you just take it out and just put it back up. Here's how it looks. Now there should be a little bit more airflow and the brake should cool a little bit better. Very easy job, highly recommend it if you track your car. If you don't, then don't do it. Let me know if you need any questions. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.